in a skirt or jeans or short shorts. Head race when me walk past. Me feel the eyes, believe the eye. Me love the lights, me reach the spite.
You're just a true 66 like Loodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. You're just a true 66 like Loodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. Movie, 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 movie. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie.
Since I have a small head, I'm going to adjust the straps really tight. You guys, I do this so I won't have to bleach the knots. Sometimes I bleach my knots, but most of the time I put foundation powder on it. So if you're not new to my channel, then you know that this is what I do. I use my MAC mineralized skin finish and I put foundation powder to my units, to the lace, to get it to blend with my skin tone.
Zagadat. Same time body 10-10. It's your boy Eazi.
It's E. Kelly.
My baby they confuse me yo with that bomb bomb. But she get the guy where they send her money from London. She they see me like a Johnny just come. Yeah. My monkey they walk it, baboon he just the chop. Me I go chop all the washing, as long as you give me my passion. Baby, make you know they rush me. I beg you, make you treat me with caution. Leg over. My baby, give me leg over. Hangover. Baby, she dey give me hangover. Hey, leg over. Oh no, make give me leg over. Hey, game over. She dey come give me game over. Hey, I dey confuse you, I dey confuse when you turn around, baby. You dey make her confuse. You do all like a Cameroon, mesmerize the boy and baby make her confuse. Commando, you be commando, you dey command the boy, you the overload. Yeah, I no fit stand alone. I must call my guy, we for rendezvous. Yeah, I go chop all the washing, as long as you give me my passion. Baby, make you know they rush me. I beg you, make you treat me with caution. Leg over. My baby, give me leg over. Hangover. Baby, she dey give me hangover. Hey, leg over. Oh no, make give me leg over. Hey, game over. She dey come give me game over.
No products. Water conditioner and then my Hawaiian Silky.
Yeah, boy,
2-in-1 curl.
Hey, my baby they distract me yo with a bomb bomb. But she get the guy where they send her money from London. She they see me like a Johnny just come. Hey, my monkey they walk it, baboon he just the chop. Me I go chop all the washing, as long as you give me my passion. Baby make you know they rush me. I beg you, make you treat me with caution. Leg over. My baby, give me leg over. Hangover. Baby, she dey give me hangover. Hey, leg over. Oh no, make give me leg over. Hey, game over. She dey come give me game over. I dey confused when you turn around, baby, you dey make her confused.
Okay, you guys, let me give you some details about this unit and my pros and cons. Let me start off with the positive. I do like the lace. The lace, I think, blended in with my skin beautifully. I just did my MSF trick, and I think the lace is pretty realistic. It's pretty realistic. The packaging was cute. The shipping was really quick. The lace blends very, very well, but and the price was okay, and the hair is okay, but that could be a pro and a con. The texture is just okay. Okay, the texture is just okay, and I feel like it sheds too much. I feel like it's just gonna take too much to get this to look decent, so I'm not a big fan of this unit. So yeah, that is my honest review of LuVMe hair. It is a it's an Asian, excuse me, it's an Asian based company. I don't know if they're on AliExpress, but I think I found them on Instagram. So yeah, so hope this review was, I hope this review helped you to make a decision on whether you want to go with this company or not, or with this texture from this company. If you have any questions about this hair, please do not forget to leave those questions down below. And don't forget to check the description bar. I'll leave all the information on everything that I used in the description bar, and information, of course, on the units. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new and haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Okay. I have a lot of more content coming out for you guys. Super excited, so you don't want to miss out. And when you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be aware or notified on every video that I upload. All right, thank you so much for stopping. Bye. See you in another one. Bye. Bye.
I'm in a skirt, our jeans are short shorts. Head race when me walk past. Me feel the eyes, believe the eye. Me love the lights, me need to spite.
You're just a true 666 like Loodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. You're just a true 666 like Loodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie.